Yes guys, it's Environment and today we'll be checking out popular Jamaican TikToks. Hopefully they're funny.
No, look at the house. Look on the greater egg. How much are you fry? 6 egg. 6 egg then dog. You ever work in a day life?
Oh Lord, I want you to help me.
Oh yeah, that one is too strong for me to put on, but I wouldn't even know how to subtitle that one. But yeah, there are some Jamaican parents who they say a lot of swear words, they say a lot of bad words. Yeah, so I don't know what to respond to this one.
Yo, look at Jamaica most famous. Yeah. Look at me dress. Yeah. You don't have enough time to mix up with them little normal.
Oh no, he didn't.
That's a spicy.
TikTok, I need your help. I need to find myself a man. A tough Jamaican man. Please do your thing, TikTok, please.
Stop being desperate.
Okay. What's it? Just give me this. I don't remember the song myself.
Growing up in Jamaica, you know, say you can't cuss nobody because anyway, your mother area cuss them mother.
That's true.
So of course, us kids, you have to find some alternatives. Number one, this is really the most.
Boomba! Oh yeah, I said that.
Number two, we have Bunky.
Bunky does! Yeah, it's been a while since I've even heard that.
Number three, we have Bumbuckle My Shoes.
I've heard that, but I've never used it.
Because the first part sound like you have a cuss better, and then you hear their sentence like, oh, okay, but you have to be careful because your mother might box in your face before you even get
True.
You see me?
Yeah, that's the thing too. A lot of Jamaicans tend to say zimmy. Yeah, I never really like it. It's never really my thing. Okay. She.
Hi.
What you want?
May I have some of your...
We're not have that. We're not have that.
Oh, okay. Can I order some...
We're not have that.
Whatever is funny.
We're not have it. We're not have it.
What do you have?
Look on the menu. Look on the menu. You can't look on the menu?
I'm so sorry.
Look on the menu.
Yeah, I know I find it's funny, but I don't think it's not accurate.
You can't read? You can't read?
Yeah.
Yeah, for real, high schoolers in Jamaica were actually this lit. I mean, okay, I was a little bit caught, but I was. Alright guys, so that is it for video this week. It was shorter than usual because most of the videos I found were actually in Jamaican Patois, and that is really complicated when it comes to subtitling. It doubles the work I have to do. Nonetheless, hope in the future I can do something a little bit better. And the fact that I have an international audience which doesn't only comprise of Jamaicans, I have to be a little bit more inclusive. Anyways, with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That would be super cool. And if you've not heard, subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Yeah. Ciao, ciao.